Hey, what's up, what's up? So it looks like YouTube Shorts is back again, and not only that, YouTube is getting very serious about YouTube Shorts because they're investing a lot of money into it. I mean, why not? YouTube has reportedly said they have 1.5 billion YouTube Shorts views per month, and that number is growing steadily. And we all know numbers don't lie. Now, I have tried YouTube Shorts myself in the past, and I had been burnt by it. It gave me the wrong views, it gave me the wrong subscribers, it dropped my retention, and ultimately it caused YouTube to think that people no longer likes watching my long form videos. But that was a year ago, and since then YouTube has improved their algorithm a lot, and they were able to split the difference between a short form video and a long form video, further understanding their audience and finally helping YouTube channels grow. I gave that a try recently as well, and I have to say it does look like it is fine now. I feel like it is no longer damaging my channel, and it also helped my channel reach new audiences as well. And because YouTube finally fixed this big problem, they can now start to move to their next phase, which is around improving their monetization for YouTube Shorts. So now that we're on that topic, you might have heard that YouTube Shorts is now part of the YouTube Partner Program. But what does that mean exactly? Well, YouTube Partner Program is basically a way for YouTube to say that your YouTube channel is now eligible for YouTube to run ads on your videos. And with YouTube Shorts coming on board, that basically means that ads are going to start showing up on Shorts as well. Now, why is this a big deal? Simply because YouTube has one added advantage over their competitors like TikTok and Instagram Reels. YouTube has the capability to add ads into their video, and it is also the main reason I choose YouTube over other platforms. What this means is once you launch a video, you can start making money from that video for as long as it continues to get views. The more views it gets, the more ads gets shown, the more money you make. At least that's how long form videos work in general. And I think that's coming to YouTube Shorts later. It is not here now, but by the looks of it, it will come eventually. And the best thing you can do right now is to be prepared for it, because the early adopters always get the biggest slice of cake. So I want to share with you some tips why you should start preparing now and why there's a slight chance this may not be worth it still. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. The first thing I want to cover is, of course, you have to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. Now, previously, you only have one option when it comes to joining the YouTube Partner Program, and that is to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. However, there is now a second option for YouTube Shorts creators. You can now join the YouTube Partner Program by getting 1,000 subscribers and getting 10 million views in YouTube Shorts in the last 90 days. I'm honestly quite speechless because the only content I can think of that can get 10 million views in 90 days are silly, meaningless videos, or if you're already a well-established YouTube channel that gets over hundreds of thousands of views per video. And if you ask me, I still think it is easier to get 4,000 watch hours for a small channel. But whatever it is, know that you now have two options. So just go with whatever you think is easier to achieve and get yourself into the YouTube Partner Program first. The second thing I want to share with you is if you're a small channel, then start mixing in YouTube Shorts with your long form videos in one single YouTube channel. Again, YouTube Shorts no longer damages your YouTube channel. At least that's from my experience. But you can always just try one YouTube Shorts, and if you feel like it is still damaging your YouTube channel, then just stop. For me personally, it kind of works out pretty well because I used to upload 2 long form videos a week, but that got a little too much for me, so I cut it down to just 1 long form video a week. But because I don't upload as often anymore, I do find that my views have dropped and subsequently my revenue as well. I mean, call me crazy, but I do feel that my views and my revenue goes up every time I launch a new video. It is like YouTube gives my channel a small boost just for launching a new video, like a pat on the back for a job well done. And now, because of YouTube Shorts, I can go back to doing 2 videos a week. I can release a short in the middle of the week where there aren't many viewers on YouTube, which means I spend less time creating my video as well. but also at the same time allows me to stay relevant. If you think you want to split them apart and have one channel for your long form videos and another channel just for YouTube shorts, that's okay too. But to me, I feel like it is just added work having the need to build up two channels when I'm already struggling with just one channel. The third thing I want to share with you is try not to create your YouTube shorts in the YouTube app itself. YouTube shorts is sort of labeled as YouTube's answer to TikTok and Instagram Reels, but I don't think they work the same way. There are lots of reaction videos, dancing videos, and videos that don't lead to anywhere on TikTok. But on YouTube, I feel that YouTube Shorts acts as a way to get more exposure for your YouTube channel, to get people to watch both your long form and your short form videos. I mean, of course, if you run a YouTube channel that does funny skits, for example, then yeah, your shorts will work for both TikTok and YouTube Shorts, killing two birds with one stone. But for a channel like mine, it is quite unlikely that will work. But either way, I highly encourage you to record your video in vertical format using your camera and then do video editing on your video editing software, just like you would with a long form video. It's just because the audience on YouTube is a little bit different. They do expect a certain kind of quality, even for YouTube Shorts. So I don't think just taking out your phone and sharing your life, or just to say, hey guys, what's up? I'm doing grocery shopping now and the queue is uber long. I don't think that works. By first recording it, then do video editing using your video editing software gives that YouTube feel that people are accustomed to, and it just makes people feel more warmth and welcomed. So those are the things I recommend you can start doing today, as it will benefit you in the long run. But I do have some concerns surrounding YouTube Shorts, particularly how content creators get paid. According to YouTube themselves, YouTube Shorts revenue sharing, which is the name of their new model, the revenue sharing will be 45% for creators. However, that isn't even my concern. My concern is this: the revenue will be distributed based on the number of views their shorts get in each country. And this is where I feel it is a little unfair, because what that actually says is if you don't go viral, then you're basically out of the game. Say my YouTube shorts get 10,000 views, which is a lot of views, but there are plenty of shorts out there that gets millions of views, and my 10,000 views pales in comparison to a million views. So when the money is distributed at the end of the month, I'm basically getting nothing from it. For my channel, which is in the education category, it will never get as many views as, say, funny videos or entertainment videos. And that's really lame if you ask me. The other thing about YouTube Shorts is, as the name goes, it is short, as in short-lived. YouTube Shorts tend to get a lot of views in the first few days or after a week, but unlike long-form videos, it doesn't continue to get you views a year later because it is no longer recent. This kind of makes it difficult because now you gotta continue to create content if you want to make money. Otherwise, it'll just die down, and that sounds really tiring if you ask me. But still, I feel that this is not a good reason to not try YouTube Shorts at all. These are a few minor concerns, but not enough to make an excuse to not do it. It could be that content creators just haven't figured out the secret to it. I'm sure given time there will be someone who will figure it out and knows how to use it to grow their long form videos as well. But YouTube Shorts revenue sharing is not going to start until early next year. So you still have time to think and plan it out. Just make sure you do not forget about this. So anyways, that's the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed or liked this video yet, I would really appreciate it if you could do so. That way, this video can be viewed by even more people on YouTube. And with that said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.